Every market is made up of people. Okay, every market is made up of people. The same thing applies to the forex market or the financial market. Okay, the financial market is also made up of people. We have people, and these people we have in the forex market, we call them market participants. Okay, we have market participants. So who are the market participants? So market participants are all the people. Okay, please note this. All the people and organizations that do business in the financial market. Okay, so when we talk about the market participants, we are talking about all the people and organizations that do business in the financial market. So they range from banks, other lenders, to even individual investors like you and I. And the market participants, we can also call them market players as well. We can call them market players as well. Okay, so now let's go into these market participants. This is the hierarchy. This is the hierarchy. Okay, the market participant, this is the hierarchy. So when you take the market participants, you are going to see the major banks right on top. When we talk about the major banks, you know them. You know the JP Morgans and all the others. Those big banks. Okay, those big banks. And then it follows by those we call EBS. We call them EBS. Okay, they are electronic brokerage firms or organizations, and what they do is they serve us they are the intermediary between us and then the financial market. And then we have the medium size and then the small banks. So our Ghana, our central bank is here. Okay, our central bank is here. All right. So we have the medium size and then the small banks, and then we have what we call the retail market makers. We have a group of people we call market makers. They are also there. They are also in the financial market. We have the retail ECNs. Some of them are also brokerage firms. We have the hedge funds, and then we have some commercial companies. So some of the commercial companies, you know them already. And then at the bottom of the hierarchy are the retail traders. So you and I, this is where we are. You are here. So you are here. Yes, you are here. You are a retail trader. The moment you start trading, you become a retail trader. So the two of us, all the 50 people on this call, we are all retail traders. Okay, so these are the market participants. All right. Now let's look at, yes, they are here as well. The same slide as I showed you. So we have the super banks. They are the big banks. The super banks, the large commercial companies. We have government and central banks. We have the speculators. We have the retail forex brokers. Okay, and then the retail brokers, we have the market makers, and then we have the ECN. And then the last, at the bottom of the food chain, we have the retail traders. So this is where we are. And remember, if we are the last people, okay, we are the last people at the bottom of this particular hierarchy, then you should remember what you learned in science. Okay, we learned in science that the animal at the bottom of the food chain, what happened to that animal? If you know, write it in the chat box for me. In the food chain, the animal at the bottom, what happens to that animal? When you come in here, you are going to be at the bottom of the food chain. So what happens is that you can easily be eaten on the financial market. Yes, you were not told, we have told you, we are an academy. If you go through our course structure, you build the confidence to trade without any fear, because you have already been told all the secrets that you need to be told. Done for this section. In the next section, I'm going to look at what is traded. I'm going to go deep into what is traded. So we are going to give ourselves a break, and we will return at 2 o'clock.